Hello, future nurses. So we're down to our last key area of responsibilities of this core competence and its core competencies in nursing in the Philippines. So congratulations in reaching this, and I hope you learned so far. You learned things that is important in our profession. So um, the last uh, key area of responsibility uh, is teamwork. Okay? Teamwork and collaboration is a key area that includes establishing very good or good working relationship with your colleagues, with your healthcare team, and communicating care plans, intervention plans, um, any variances that may happen in your treatment regimen uh, with your health team members. Okay, so we're on our last. So what are the um, core competencies of this key area of responsibility? So we have the same has stipulated two core competencies. One is establishes collaborative relationship with colleagues and other members of the health team. Okay, so there are interventions that you need to collaborate or to work together as a team. Um, so you should have a very good relationship with them uh, in your what's this your aspect as a nurse. You should be also good in your interpersonal uh, aspects. Your emotional quotient should be good also, okay, to establish a very good collaborative professional relationship with colleagues. And this is indicated with the following, or the nurse contributes to decision making regarding patients' needs and concerns, participates actively in patients' care management, including audits, um, recommends appropriate intervention to improve patient care, and respect the role of other members of the health team. Okay, that's very important. You should know your role in the team, okay? And you should know the role of the others also. Maintains good interpersonal relationship with patients, colleagues, and other members of the health team, because you are not only going to collaborate with your team, but most especially with your patient. Yeah. So good interpersonal quotient or aspect of a nurse is very good. Is really is needed for this type of area of responsibility. Then last is collaborates plan of care with other members of the health team. Okay, so you refer patient to allied health team members or team partners, just like when you need to refer a a patient to a doctor, to the laboratory unit, to what else? To the imaging department, or to whatever department that is deemed necessary for the treatment regimen of the patient. So you act also as a liaison or advocate of the patient. When you say advocate, you stand for the right of the patient in behalf of the patient. If you need to defend him or her, you do it. Okay? And prepare accurate documentation of efficient communication of services. But maybe now um, there are already established efficient communication services within an institution. You need to abide with that. You need to follow it to properly communicate uh, among the healthcare team, or if you have any suggestions on how to improve more your communication workflow, okay, you may suggest it. So this just only mean that in our profession, uh, collaboration is very important, teamwork is very important, and also your interpersonal relationship, quotient or interpersonal relationship aspect is also very important, because it's a fact that you cannot work alone as a nurse. Okay? So for you to be able to provide the best or at least a very good quality nursing care, you need also to work with others. You need to collaborate with others. So that's the end of our video lecture series on key areas of responsibilities with core competencies and indicators of the nursing profession here in the Philippines. So again, this is very important because core competencies are relating to the ability that we must develop and we must carry out throughout our profession. So again, I congratulate you on choosing this profession, and I'm hopeful and I ask for prayers that you are going to finish this course and you will be the best nurse that you can be. Okay? So again, this is Sir Emil, your online nurse educator, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Expect for more and more topics to be uploaded with the different subjects in nursing that you might use in your reviews in your studies. So there will be different playlists, and don't forget to subscribe and share. And thank you so much. See you, future nurses. God bless.